Come and learn a yoga dancer sequence. Rise the arms up, inhale, exhale, hinging at the hips, forward fold, relax the head, and inhale, flat back, pressing your hands into the thighs to lengthen your spine to the max, and release the arms with an impulse. Exhale, fall forward and let the arms melt down. Hands shoulder width apart, step back into plank pose. Come into first en dehors, bringing the heels together. Chaturanga, coming down, push back then upwards for upward facing dog, head circle, inhale. Exhale, pulling from center, pushing into your hands, come into downward dog, still with your en dehors, first turn out. Releve, plie, heels down, extend, bend the knees, come up and releve, extend the legs, heels down, and deep inhale, bringing the right foot forward for a modified warrior one with the en dehors in both hips, both legs. Reach the arms up, smile with your heart. Exhale, lengthen the leg and your spine. You can stretch the arms forward. Let's come back to parallel and bringing the bottom of the left thigh on the ground. Deep inhale, Anjali Asana with an extension of the back. That's optional. And stretch the right side of the waist. Circle your right arm, reach far away and come back. Reaching with your right arm over the right femur bone. Lengthen the left leg and balance yourself with the opening of the hips. And switch to the side and coming to reach this left arm and left leg up. And circle the leg back. Try and fold forward into a fourth Graham inspired by pigeon pose. And relax, keeping the hips square and open. Unfold the legs in front of you to come into modified boat pose. Cross the right leg over, keeping the knees connected. And unfold your torsion to the right side. Unfold the right leg to the ceiling and lengthen, opening in both hips. Move your hands to the right side as you circle the right leg down. Coming into Charlie Chaplin, first en dehors, bend the knees, roll up, inhale. And exhale, we're done. Thank you for following me today.